Hi everyone. Today's topic, I would like to talk about heart and pericardium and focusing on two main diseases, pericarditis and myocarditis. The reason I want to focus on this topic is because I have heard many people has these issues from the C-19 vaccines, and I would like to share how you can treat and solve these issues by yourself without going to be hospitalized and make it even worse. First of all, I would like to talk about the functions in Chinese medicine and heart pericardium. Heart pumps blood, controls blood circulations, opens to the tongue, so controls our speech. It's a governor of our soul, and soul is mind, emotion, and will. That's why people go into delirium, crazy, cycle when hearts get injured as well. And incoherent speech is due to pericardium injury, as pericardium is a thin layer that protects the heart from infection, coma, faint, going delirium and crazy. And two, inflammation. Inflammation in Chinese medicine simply means excessive heat. So therefore, I will talk about the diet and lifestyle that you want to avoid to trigger more inflammation. Okay, and with the diet and lifestyle, obviously you want to avoid things that can cause acid reflux and excessive heat in the body, such as coffee, lamb, dairy products, stir-fried, using poor quality oils, and you should actually avoid all sorts of oils and heat. And deep fried food that will trigger more stabbing pain, more tight chestness, and more coughing up of the blood if you are already injured. And diagnosis with pericarditis and myocarditis, which means inflammation of pericardium or inflammation of the heart. And treatment-wise, without going to hospital is very important, because if you go into hospital, they're going to do MRI or CT scan, which the radio frequency and the radioactive wave will further damage your heart and pericardium and makes the inflammation even worse. That's how they create a problem, then sell you the solution and make you there stay very long time with endless diagnosis, endless observations. And what you can do, which really helps with this inflammation, heart and pericardium, is have a lot of coconut water. Coconut water has natural potassium, which helps to heal the heart. And two, very important, hawthorn. Hawthorn berries, hawthorn flower, hawthorn leaves, or you can even just buy the hawthorn supplement. It will speed up the heart. In all sorts of heart and pericardium injury can be cured by hawthorn. And you want to add high antioxidants to repair the C-19 vaccine damage, such as astaxanthin and high dose of vitamin C, which will help to heal that up. Watermelon, coriander, mint, and turmeric will get rid of the inflammation. And this way, within usually 2 months, you'll be cured. You don't need to be hospitalized. And sign and symptom, as I talked about before, chest pain, stabbing pain, tight chestness, coughing up blood, mild fluid retention, incoherent speech, going a bit of crazy, doing things without thinking, are all these kind of symptoms. And I hope this video helps you. And focusing on myocarditis and pericarditis, and having a healthy pericardium protects you from all sorts of infection, injury, and having a healthy heart give you a good blood circulation and joy and happiness. And I'll see you in the next episode.